Hey, what's going on, guys? I got this Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax so I can use with my foam cannon. It's my first time using it, so I just wanted to show you me filling it up and then just a quick spray. So the instructions say to shake it up a bit, add just a couple of ounces, and then go ahead and fill up your canister. Said ideally with warm water, but I'm not a pro detailer, so I don't have hot water hooked up outside. I'm using just tap cold water. Smells pretty good. Smells really good. All right, now I'm just going to go ahead and do a spray on my truck here. All right, so that's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you how it sprayed and how it foamed up during that first use for me.